Hi,
Hello.
may I sit here?
Yes, of course. What is your name?
My name is Jack. What is your name?
I'm Olivia.
Your name is very nice.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Mumbai. Where are you from?
I am from Delhi.
How old are you?
I am 26. How old are you?
I am 27.
Where do you live?
I live in London. Where do you live?
I live in Spain. But I am currently living in California.
What do you do? Are you a student? Or do you work?
I work at a school. I am a teacher. What do you do?
I work at a bank. I am a general manager.
What does your father do?
My father works at a hospital. He is a doctor.
That's great.
What do your parents do?
My father works at a cafe. And my mother is a housewife.
How many siblings do you have?
I have two younger brothers. And one elder sister.
Great. I have just one younger brother.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like horror and thriller movies. What are your hobbies?
I like hang out with friends. And playing video games.
It was nice talking to you, Olivia.
Me too, Jack.
It's your turn to speak. English speaking practiced. I will be speaking first person's dialogues, and you will be speaking second person's dialogues. Let's get started. Speak carefully.
Hi. My name is Jack. What is your name? Your name is very nice. Nice to meet you too. I am from Mumbai. Where are you from? How old are you? I am 27. I live in London. Where do you live? What do you do? Are you a student? Or do you work? I work at a bank. I am a general manager. My father works at a hospital. He is a doctor. What do your parents do? How many siblings do you have? Great. I have just one younger brother. I like reading books and watching movies. I like horror and thriller movies. What are your hobbies? It was nice talking to you, Olivia.